Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a review of the replacement keyless entry remote for Ford and Mazda vehicles. If you've been looking for a convenient solution to replace your old or malfunctioning key fob, this might just be the answer you've been searching for. First off, let's talk compatibility. This key fob is compatible with a wide range of Ford and Mazda vehicles spanning from 1998 to 2016. From the F-Series trucks to the Escape, Expedition, Explorer, and even models like the Ranger and Tribute, you've got quite the lineup covered here. It's also compatible with select Lincoln and Mercury models, offering versatility for various owners. Programming this key fob is a breeze. With easy-to-follow instructions and a helpful video demonstration, you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. No need to hassle with a trip to the dealership or a locksmith. Just follow the steps outlined in the manual, and you'll have your new key fob programmed in no time. One thing I appreciate about this replacement remote is that it's designed to match the original both in form and function. So, you can expect seamless integration with your vehicle's existing keyless entry system. Plus, with features like lock, unlock, and panic, you're getting all the functionality you need in a key fob. In terms of build quality, this key fob feels solid and durable. It's made to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring longevity for your investment. And with its 315 MHz, 433 MHz frequency and 4D63 transponder chip, you can trust that it'll communicate effectively with your vehicle's systems. Now, let's talk value. You're getting not one, but two key fobs in this pack, which is great for households with multiple drivers or as a backup. And considering the convenience and peace of mind they provide, the price is definitely worth it. Overall, if you're in need of a reliable replacement keyless entry remote for your Ford or Mazda vehicle, look no further than this option. With its easy DIY programming, compatibility with a wide range of models, and solid build quality, it's a no-brainer. So go ahead, upgrade your key fob game today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.